Hello everyone, part 4 Etabs plugin for create new Windows phone. Choose Windows 4 and then select Windows 4 for C#. After that we choose and call the name for the Windows 4 form underline input underline data class. This is name of our Windows 4. After that, rename again in solution str make Etabs and rename it. After we choose the name of the phone, we run this code and check performance of this Windows phone. Now in bottom control str we write shield for open this new Windows 4. Open Windows 4, open shield form and new shield form dot FID underline CS parentheses colon center close parentheses. Excuse me, and cut this text and paste in private void behind click. Okay, for example, anytime you click on behind click run button, open this Windows phone. Copy this code now we create input data for and connection this child to her mother's. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget subscribe me and support me to create high performance video. Thanks.